Go ahead and start the screen share here. So I should be sending messages, I guess, to people because most of them do not even see their emails, I guess. I hope so. Fine. So let's see. This is my browser here. So I'm gonna close this. So let's check with Anil. So this is the URL of Anil. This template is a free template from Bootstrap. You're not supposed to edit anything from this file. Okay. This is not dynamic. This is the pure static page. And you see here, if I click on the solution, it's a standalone file. All it's doing is going to this file. Okay. So then the next assignment here, assignment 2, is pretty nice, Anil. I say really good. I mean, I know you're good at HTML, but still, it's not about technology. It's about the vision, I say. So it's really good. Nice, good job over there. And this is by far the best one I have seen in assignments. And with the images, the images are really good. Nice, great. So here you just had to do view page source. You can find the source of that, copy it, paste it in a file if you want to download. I did not give the option to download it because this information is private to the student itself. I don't want somebody else to copy it. So I would have given a download button over there, but that's not the right way, I thought. So you have to work hard to get this work done. That's my motto. So I did not let people to download this file. But you can take inspiration, like you can view the page source. This is, however, we cannot stop people from viewing the page source, or sorry, the source. Yeah. So then the next is again the other assignment I found was Ankush. Like this is again a nice assignment he has done over there. So this is also properly done it, and he has used list, which we haven't talked about this. Okay, so that's a different concept I'll be talking about, but he did not use all the features of what we had talked in the last class. Alright, that's his, and his first assignment is fairly simple. Everybody's he says, I'm engineering student learning from Flash, I love surfing. So that's really cool. And and Kamlesh has, again, this guy has submitted a really good assignment again, I say. So but of all, I mean, Anil's assignment stands out, trust me. So the marks goes to Anil. So great job, Anil. And Sandeep, you are supposed to submit assignments, man. Come on. And we have Chinmay. Chinmay has made a few mistakes over there. So I hope if she sees this, she has only submitted one assignment. And the mistakes, I don't say them, technology wise mistakes, but she did not use the elements as they are supposed to be. Like she should have been used a address tag here instead of p tag. And that's it. That's the only mistake I have seen. And she did not include the image. These images are downloaded by me. Okay, and some of the tags have been missing here. So make sure you just view the source and find out what's the underlying mistake you're doing over there. Okay, so yeah, those who submit the assignments will have a URL like this. Okay, so that you can just copy this and share with your friends, saying, hey, this is the work I've done. So you can see it, or if somebody is interviewing you, so you can say that, okay, this is what I'm doing. Okay, let's make Tutors Live a professional thing wherein you can share with your peers. Okay, so nice, good job done, guys. Seriously, great job. I really appreciate. So it's a passion that drives. So good one. So we see, going forward, we see this page will be filled out entirely. Okay, and you guys will be doing an awesome job going forward when you follow me. Okay, so that is it. So now let's go and see our file, what I have done. Okay, I'll be showing my file, how I have done my portfolio. I've been doing in front of you guys only. So this is a file from the last class. So there are no images. So people download this and they're just submitted the same Yes, this has been the modifications we have done there. So great job there. Good. So now here in the contact me, okay, here in the contact me, I'll just put my address, and you can also message me. I'll put some information over there, and we use a form over there. Okay, so